Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting in Settings to make screen recording available. Open Control Center and add Screen Recording now so the button appears. Once done, tap the Screen Recording control and long press to reveal microphone and timer options. Enable the microphone if you want voiceover. Also make sure you have free storage and battery above about 15% so the recording won't fail. These steps grant the permissions and physical resources the system needs to capture your screen smoothly and without interruption. You're now configuring how the recording behaves. Long press the control to toggle the microphone, set a 3-5-second timer, and verify the orientation matches what you'll present. Once configured, close background apps that might pop up and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications don't appear in the footage. Make sure sound levels are acceptable by testing briefly. A 5-10 second test avoids surprises. After confirming settings, press Start Recording and count down so your actions are delivered. You'll finish by stopping the recording through Control Center or by tapping the red status bar and confirming stop. The file saves automatically to Photos or your default library. Once saved, open the clip to trim, add voiceover, or share. Edit now to avoid losing the in-context content. If you don't see a file, make sure Screen Recording has library permissions and there was sufficient storage. Then retry and run a short test. That single troubleshooting check fixes most failed captures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.